Good day, readers. Let me introduce our amazing members and the leader. And of course, let me introduce myself first. I am Teresa S. Manzanito, and you can call me Ate Teres. And I am the leader of this program, the Basa Ka Muna program. And of course, in this mission, I am not all alone. I have my amazing team members.
Hi, my name is Rachel Bessie, but you can call me Ate Rachel.
Hi, I'm Raquel Montes and you can call me Ate Raquel.
Hello everyone, my name is Joe Shahid. You can call me by my nickname Kai.
Hi, my name is Denise Jane Nelia, but you can call me Ate Denise.